Today I'm going to talk about ecosystem. Ecologists like to think big, but ecologists do not just study the length of a mouse or learn where plants grow best. Instead, they want to know which animal is the mouse. They wonder if the mouse hides under the fence of its earth, eats crickets that hide there. They want to know that the cricket eat. Some ecologists want to understand the whole community in certain area. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem includes an area's biotic factor in plant and animal communities. It also includes the area abiotic factor in ecosystem. Every plant and animal has a job to do. They work together in a cycle. Like ecosystem and product oxygen. Tiny floating organisms eat ego and also breathe the oxygen. These organisms become food for fish. Fish product carbon dioxide when they breathe. The ego use carbon dioxide to live and grow. An ecosystem must be as small as a pond. It must be as large as a rainforest. All the ecosystems are Paris, swamp, coral reef, and the goon behind a house. So ecosystem include up from the rest of the world. Sunlight comes in from the outside. Animals enter and leave. Birds carry up plant seeds. Rainwater insert into other nearby ecosystem. Water drop in as rain and wash out with a river. Food chains. When ecologists look at ecosystem, they often want to understand its food chain. The food chain is simply who eats that in system. Play of first in the food chain. They take energy from sunlight. They use to change chemical of their turns into sugar. The sugar helps them live and grow. Play of first in the chain because they use to the sun to produce food instead of eating other organisms. Play eating animals are named. This includes grasshopper, rabbit, and buffalo. Predators that eat them on the land. They add nutrients to the soil, which can more plants and start to begin again. Thank you for listening and goodbye.